Hey guys, so we are back again with an exciting session on web scraping. Okay, so what do we understand by web scraping? Before we discuss that, I would like to quickly explain why do we need web scraping. Okay, so far we have done lead generation using LinkedIn. Okay, and we have used tools like Rocketreach, Scrap, or Snowio to extract email IDs of various CXOs, CEOs, etc., who could be our potential clients. Okay, so what should we do when our potential clients are not present on LinkedIn? They're present in various directories. For example, my prospective client could be salon owners, or could be doctors, or they could be law firms, right? So all these people, I think they might be listed on LinkedIn, but they will for sure be listed on various directories, online directories like Yelp.com or Sulekha or Justdial, isn't it? So when our potential clients exist on these directories, then we'll obviously have to get their contact details from these directories, isn't it? So if I go and try to extract it manually, it is going to take me a hell lot of time, because there will be like thousands of businesses listed, and going through each and every one of them manually would be a great time consuming thing. Okay, so instead we could use a tool like web scraper, okay, or phantom buster. These tools, once we program it so that in a such a way that they can extract all these data for us. Okay, they take, say, the really good tool is phantom buster. Okay, so what you can do is, in your free time, you can just download what phantom buster is, and it is a very easy tool, so you will be able to uh, do it on your own. But the problem with phantom buster is it has only few number of or limited number of extractions available for free. Okay, so phantom buster is something which I want you guys to learn on your own. If you have any doubts, you can get back to me or Shreya, and we will help you out with phantom buster. As such, none of my other trainees ever found any difficulty in using phantom busters to extract data through from directories. Okay, so another one tool which is actually interesting and free is web scraper. Okay, which I'm going to explain in detail in this session. Okay, so what is web scraper? Before going to web scraper, let's open few directories. Okay, so as you're aware, US में सारे restaurants, all plumbers, law firms, anything, delivery, takeout, accountants, everyone is listed on Yelp.com. Okay, so for example, my client is in US, and he requires to get all the contact details of salons in, say, Las Vegas. Okay, so what I can do, I can just write salons here and write LA, right? Just a minute. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, salons.
Yeah.
And okay, salons in I'm not able to, yes, now I'm able to, Las Vegas in. Okay, so in here, nail salons, I want all their nail salon names, their address, their phone numbers, their email IDs, whatever is listed on Yelp.com. If I have to extract all this, then what I can do, manually what I can do, I can go to each page, copy paste into a Google Sheet and make a database, right? That will take a lot of time, isn't it? Because how many businesses will be listed out? Maybe hundreds. See, in first page there are 10 businesses listed out, and there are such 10 pages. Each page has at least 10 nail salons listed, isn't it? So I will take at least, say, 2 minutes for one, so it will take almost, say, 200 minutes for extracting everything. That is actually a way, spending too much of time. So what we can do is, instead we can use phantom buster, of course, but phantom buster has got very limited number of searches allowed in a free as a free tool. Okay, so other option which we can use instead is web scraper. So how we are going to use web scraper? First, we have to do some simple installation. Okay, we need to go to web scraper's website, webscraper.io, and then install a Chrome extension, okay, called webscraper.io. When I install this, I can see this, can you see this blue color spidery thing which has come here?
Yes. Okay, that is our web scraper. Okay, so once I install it in my bookmark section, I will be able to see this thing. Okay, as it is already installed, I won't install it again. You have to just go here and install. It will install on its own. Once installation is done, what you have to do, you have to go to the page or directory from where you have to extract the data. Nail salons in Las Vegas, right? So now I have to extract all this data. So how we are going to do it? We have to use web scraper. We can go to this icon, click there. You will get some details here saying press F12 or Control Shift I to open developer tools. The thing is, web scraper needs a bit of minute coding which is required for letting web scraper know from where to extract data. Okay, so there is a tiny bit of coding which we need to do, not exactly coding, it is very simple as such, a little bit of automation which we need to do in order to extract the data. So what we have to do, we have to open developer tools. So in some machines it is Control Shift I, and in some machines it is F12. Okay, so for my machine it is Control Shift I, so I'll just click that. Once I do, I can open something like this. Here you can see all the HTML code because it is a developer tool. We are not interested in any of these. We are not interested in Elements, Console, etc. Instead, we are only interested in this section, web scraper. This option will come to you only when you install web scraper. Without installing the web scraper Chrome extension, you won't be able to use it. Another thing, this thing works only in Chrome. Don't try to do it on Firefox or some other internet browsers. Okay, so use Chrome, install the web scraper Chrome extension, then come here, do Control Shift I. Now I need to give web scraper the directions in which it should move in order to extract all this data. So for that, I need to create something called as a sitemap. So now I'm going to show you how to create a new sitemap. So once you open web scraper, you click on this button called create new sitemap. Prerna, is it clear until this part? What I have done?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
you understand that
Yeah.
this is possible only on a directory. Okay, not where
Yes,
where
yes.
all various businesses are listed, isn't it? In anything, any place where every detail, every businesses are listed, those are called as directories, and I can use web scraper mostly on a directory. Okay, and directory has
Yes.
9 pages, and each page has 10 nail salons. So I need to create something called as a sitemap,
Mhm.
which is like giving address for web scraper to start web scraping from. कहाँ से web scraping start करना है उसे हमें बताना पड़ेगा, उसे नहीं पता. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll go or click on create new sitemap. Okay, and then we click on create sitemap and we give a name. So what are these? These are nail salons in LA. Okay, one thing about web scraper is it doesn't allow special characters, capitals, etc. So you have to use everything in small letters. So I have used small letters, nail salons LA, and then I have to give a start URL. Start URL is basically the URL where the search results have come. So now after writing nail salon in Las Vegas, I got these results, right? So this is the URL, which is the start URL. I need to copy this URL. Are you understanding? The current, before search करने से पहले का URL नहीं, after the search जो URL मिल रहा है उसे लेना है. Okay, you have to take that URL after
Right.
doing the search. Then just Control C, that is copy, and then paste it in start URL. Now we have given the sitemap, its starting URL. Now we click on create new sitemap. A new sitemap is created. Now only giving start address won't be enough. Okay, क्योंकि start address में कितने सारे elements हैं, है ना? Where should web scraper go? It is not a human, no. It is a it is a, you can say it is a kind of robo which needs to be told कि क्या करना है, उसे instructions देने. अब उसे इस पेज में क्या करना है, उसे पहले क्या करना है, ये लेट्स इग्नोर ऑल दी स्पॉन्सर्ड पोस्ट. ये जो इनिशियली स्पॉन्सर्ड रिजल्ट्स है ना, उसे इग्नोर करते हैं हम लोग, वो हम लोग मैन्युअली कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. वी विल ओनली स्टार्ट फ्रॉम वेयर द एक्चुअल पोस्ट कम्स.
Organic searches.
यस, यहाँ से यहाँ तक जो भी स्पॉन्सर्ड है दैट यू विल हैव टू कॉपी पेस्ट. इफ आई ऑटोमेट इट, ओनली द 4 थिंग्स विल कम, इट विल नॉट गो after that sponsored post. Okay, so I'll start from all results. Now what I have to do, I have to tell web scraper that go to Prestige Nail Boutique, click on Prestige Nail Boutique. Okay, go to its page, its listing. Okay, and then copy its name, which is Prestige Nail Boutique, copy its type of work they do, okay, nail salon waxing, okay, and then copy their URL, their phone number. For example, I need only this much data. I want their name, I want what the type of business they do, and I want their URL and their phone number. Only this much data I need. So now I have to tell WebScraper to do that, right? First, it needs to click there and it needs to go to all these places and copy their data. So now what I will do, I have just explained you what to do. Now I'm going to code it. How will I code it? Just see. Be little give a little more attention here. The system becomes very slow when you're working on WebScraper. Okay, that is something which is expected. Okay, don't worry. So now what I'll do,
I thought there is some connection either.
no, it's because WebScraper, na, that's why. So now I have to click on add new selector, and then I should go to Pearls Nails and Spa and click there. Select button and click there. I should not go inside. I should just be in the first page. Okay, go to select button. No, first I'll write the name. Pearls Nail and Spa kya hai wo? That is a link where it needs to be clicked na. So it is a nail salon link. It is. यहाँ से हम लोग डेटा नहीं उठा रहे हैं, हमें इसके अंदर जाना है. तो मैं यहाँ पर जस्ट इसे लिंक का एड्रेस दे रही हूँ. Means the type needs to be link, not text. Okay, I have to tell WebScraper that go to this link and click it there. So now I'll select, use a selector and then click here. Done. So like this, how many there are there? There are 10 such data, no? So I have to click 2 because I want it to, after first salon, I want it to go to the second salon, third salon, like that, right? So if I select 2, na, rest of the salon gets selected on its own. Can you see this? I selected only the first 2. It has selected rest of the salons on its own. Okay, so select ho gaya. So now ab kya karna hai hame? I have to click on one more thing, this multiple, telling that there are such multiple links on this page. Telling WebScraper that there are multiple such links on this page. That's why I have clicked on multiple. Understood? ये multiple क्यों click किया? अगर वो एक ही nail salon होता ना तो I wouldn't have clicked. But there are multiple salons, no? That's हाँ, क्योंकि उसे हमें बताना है WebScraper nail Pearls Nail Salon के बाद आपको बंद करना है, आपको next link ढूंढना है, ठीक है? All right, understood?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do save selector. So now I have told WebScraper, sorry, I should just do done selecting, only then link gets updated here, and then I should click on save selector. So now I have told WebScraper कि Pearls Nails and Spa is a link. अब मुझे क्या करना है? उसके अंदर जाना है. उसके अंदर जाना है means I should click there, I should go inside, and here also I should go inside nail salon link. Getting it? Not here. I should go inside. There also I went inside. Here also I went inside. Now I should extract data. अभी तक मैंने extract data नहीं किया. मैंने just address बताया उसे कहाँ तक जाना है. First इस URL starter URL पे जाना है. Second, you should go to the first link. That is what I have given the address now. Now it needs to extract data. So what you need to do? Add new selector, same as before. Now it is salon name. Salon. वो लिंक था, ये salon name है, right? But यहाँ पर type link नहीं होगा, type text होगा क्योंकि मुझे अब text extract करना है. Then I click on select button, okay, and then I just click on this name, okay, and then I do done selecting, okay. I will not select multiple क्योंकि एक ही नाम है ना यहाँ पर. There are not multiple names for this nail salon, only one name, so don't click on multiple. Go down and just save it. Save it. Can you see parent selector? Parent root नहीं है, nail salon link है, क्योंकि हम nail salon link के अंदर है, correct? Salon. Select. Right. Name up. Now we have extracted name. Now I should extract this type of work they do, na? So add new selector. Service type is correct. Waxing and nail salon is service type, right? Again it is text. Select. Right. But यहाँ पर दो text है, दो नहीं तीन है. तो ये क्या हुआ? Multiple हुआ. So click on multiple and then click on done selecting. Got it? Understood the difference between that where I did not click on multiple, here I clicked on multiple. Understood, no? Then I should just click on save selector. Next, what I wanted phone number, no? So I'll write add new selector. I'll write phone number, right? फोन नंबर भी टेक्स्ट ही है ना, नंबर है बट वो भी हमें जस्ट एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, कोई वहां पर क्लिक भी करना नहीं है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई विल डू, I'll select this and then I'll do done selecting, and it's only one phone number I need, so I'll not click on multiple. Then I'll do save selector. Understood? So we now extracted name, we extracted service type, we extracted phone number. What else do we need? इनका website नहीं है. Okay, so let's not extract website for now. All right, so only this much data is enough. Okay, so now
Right.
we'll go to root. Root means I'll just go here. Okay, and
Main
here
page.
also I'll go back. Always the web scraper का जो development tool में आप जो कर रहे हो, and the page should be matching. It shouldn't be like, here you are in
Okay.
different page, there you are in different address. That shouldn't happen. So now we have finished telling web scraper that you go to this URL, and then click on this link, go inside, collect their name, phone number and service type. Okay, now एक ही तो नहीं extract करना ना, मुझे multiple extract करना है. तो हमने वहां पर multiple click किया है, तो maybe these 10 things will get extracted. But how will we tell the web scraper to go to the second page? We create one more called page. We create a pagination link. Okay, so what we do, we do add new selector. We create an ID called pages. It is a type of link. ये भी तो links ही है ना. 2 के ऊपर click करते हो तो second page आता है, 3 पे click करते हो third page जाता है ना. So then you click on select button and then you select 2, but सिर्फ 2 पे नहीं जाना है, पूरे 9 pages में जाना है. So I'll select 2 and 3. It will select rest of the pages on its own. Then I will do done selecting. Then as usual I should do multiple, right? And then click on save selector. Okay, now I have told कि इसमें सिर्फ nail salon ही नहीं है, pages भी है. Okay, अब और एक क्या है, अब pages में second page में जाके उसे फिर से क्या करना है, फिर से nail salon पे click करके निकालना है ना डेटा. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, we have to give that address. In page 1, see, page 1 में nail salon extract किया, page 2 में भी फिर से nail salon को extract करना है ना. So what we will do is, we will change the parent of nail salon link. Just be with me here. Okay, what I will do now, you just see the sitemap. When I go to sitemap nail salon LA and go for select a graph, I can see something like this. Root से nail salon link जाना है, root से page जाना है. Okay, nail salon link से ये तीनों एड्रेसेस, ये तीनों डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है. बट पेजेस से क्या करना है हमें नहीं बताया अभी तक. ओके, तो मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, नेल सैलून का पेरेंट चेंज करने वाली हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू टेल नेल सैलून कि रूट आपका पेरेंट है बट पेजेस इज आल्सो योर पेरेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट. ओके, नाउ सी हाउ विल आई डू इट. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to nail salon link. I will click on edit button and I will tell nail salon link, see, root is your parent, but also pages is also your parent. I'm going to give him 2 parent now, and I'll click on save selector. Okay, you will understand it once I show you the selector graph. I'll go to selector graph, see what has happened now. Root, nail salon link, data, correct. Okay, but when I click on pages, again nail salon link and data. So you have seen how we have programmed it. Now this program is correct. Once you get a graph like this, when whatever you're trying to express, your web scraper has understood it correctly now. So what I have told him, go to this root by giving the URL. Uske baad, go to nail salon link, do this, extract all this data, then go to pages, then go to nail salon link, and then extract all this data. I've told him correct address. Okay, now what I'll do, now it is very simple. What you need to do, you need to just go to your selectors, then go to this this drop down and go for scrape data. एक बार graph correct आ जाता है तो हो गया आपका काम. Now next step is scraping only. You just click on scrape and give request time interval of 2000 milliseconds, then start scraping. Once I start scraping now, my system will get hanged and all these pages will start opening and it will take 5 minutes to extract all the data. But if I do it on an online call, na,
Okay.
this call will will just get hanged. It won't be of any use. Okay, so you can do this up until this and just click on start scraping. When the scraping, all that, don't do any parallel work. You cannot do a parallel work when you're scraping. So all these windows will
Okay.
keep opening. Once all the scraping is done, you get a page and say download link. Okay, when you
Okay.
click on the download link, a CSV file gets downloaded in your machine. So I'll show you how that CSV file will look. In previously I've done that, so I'll just go to my downloads. See, these are my downloads. I did it. See, restaurant CA. I have extracted restaurant. I'll just show you that. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. System becomes slow when I'm using web scraper. Okay, that's why it's taking some time. Let that screen open. It's taking some time. So now for salons also same data, similar data I'll get. It's taking time.
What if you directly click restaurant as a name?
Sorry, I
If
did
you
not
click on the
understand.
name, if you click on the file name, it will open, no?
No, actually, my system has become a little slow.
Oh, sure.
See if I can open it like this. No, I cannot open it like this. I have to open the downloaded file only. It has opened now. See, can you see the data? It won't
No.
be very nicely formatted and all, but you will get all the data. See, the name of the restaurant is here.
I cannot see it.
You cannot see my screen?
I can see the download page.
Downloaded page, restaurant CA1 Excel. Can you see an Excel sheet?
No. I can only see Chrome.
Okay, so maybe it doesn't allow you to see desktop, I guess. Just a minute. I'm sharing it now. Wait, I had shared only Chrome window. So now can
Only
you see?
Chrome. No.
I think you should be able to see now. Again, okay, give me a minute. Can you see now? No.
No. Black screen.
Huh? Okay, give it a minute. You will be.
I can now. I can.
See this. This is name. This is cuisine. This is their URL, and this is their phone number. And this is the various pages from which it was extracted. 8, 7. Got it?
Right.
So something like
Got
this,
it.
you will be able to extract. The only pain area here is getting the correct. क्या बोलते हैं? Getting the correct selector graph.
Right.
Okay, once you get a correct selector graph, your 75% of thing is done. After that, it's only scraping and downloading it. Understood?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm stopped.
If you click on the name,